Get ready for the dictation. Start. That against the award passed by the learned arbitrators dated 12th March 1998, an application under section 34 of the Act being arbitration case number 38 bar 1998 has been filed by the respondents full stop. That the respondents filed an interim application being IA number 4 in section 34, application to adduce additional evidence full stop. At this stage, comma, it is required to be noted that as such the award passed by the learned arbitrators was an ex parte award and no evidence was led by the respondents herein, comma, who subsequently assailed the award by way of section 34 application full stop. The appellant herein filed objections to the said interim application seeking permission to adduce evidence on the ground that the same was not maintainable in accordance with the provisions of the Arbitration Act 1996 full stop. The grounds on which the respondents submitted an application to permit them to adduce evidence shall be dealt with and considered hereinafter full stop. Para. The court dealing with interim application being IA number 4 in section 34 application rejected the said interim application and refused to permit the respondents to adduce evidence by observing that if such a permission is granted. Stop.